ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. And this video will be for the grammar, basically the sandhi. So before going to the sandhi, it's very important for us to understand how do we connect the words, how do we split the words, how to join the words, how to split the words. So today I'll be teaching one of the case, not complete everything, one of the case where I will be using alli as a prefix. So for example, you have a word called maradalli. Okay, so mara andre tree. And before children, it's very important, anyone, children or the students, it's very important you should know the noun, pronoun and the verb before you are comfortable in splitting the words. If you don't know the vocabulary, then it will become very difficult for you to understand how to split. So I request you all to learn one, at least minimum of a one word or the two word every day, new words. Memorize it, very important. So as you improve your vocabulary, the language fluency will improve. Okay, so now we'll know how do I split this maradalli. So mara is a noun on the tree. Mara plus alli. Okay, now the next word is pustakadalli. Pustaka plus alli, pustakadalli. Next, gidadalli. Gida plus alli, gidadalli. Next one, dura plus alli. Kanana, kanana andre forest, dura andre far, alli. Okay, next I can say chitra, which is picture, plus alli. Madhya plus alli. Okay, next one, banna plus alli. Samudra, banna means color, samudra andre ocean, plus alli. Akasha is a sky, plus alli. So if you observe all these words, so the ending sounding, the first word ends with the sound of a. Gida, pustaka, a, gida, a, dura, a, kanana, chitra, madhya, banna, samudra, akasha. Everything ends with the sound a. And everything is napumsakalinga. What is napumsakalinga? Basically, animal, birds or things will come under napumsakalinga. So all these napumsakalinga, especially the first word, ends with the sound of a. Whenever you add alli, remember alli, then instead of a, there is which letter incoming? Incoming letter of a da. So mara plus alli, maradalli. Pustaka plus alli, pustakadalli. Gida plus alli, gidadalli. So remember, when the sound ends with a for the first word, which is actually called as a purva pada, then when you add with the alli, instead of a, I will be replacing with the da. And this is when you have both Kannada words. For example, if you want to say computer alli, you can't say computer dalli, theater dalli, mobile dalli. You can't add dalli for English words. Okay, only if you have the first word alli, in place of first word, if you have a Kannada word, only then you can add it da. If you do have an English word, you can't add da. Okay, so which means in the forest. Okay, gidadalli, in the tree. Duradalli, in very far. Chitradalli, in the picture. In the middle. Madhyadalli, bannadalli, in the color. Samudradalli, in the ocean. Akashadalli, in the sky. So this is the meaning of all these words. Okay, na? So please practice this and take out your textbooks or any lessons or any stories, newspapers, and find out these kind of words. And do mention all those things in the comment section. So, and if you have any doubts or questions, that also you can mention in the comment section. Okay, na? So I hope you have understood. Any doubt is there, as I mentioned, check maadi, and do check the playlist for the other grammar related topics. I'll meet you all with one more lesson, one more video lesson anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ. Share these videos with your friends and help them also learn the sandhi in a very easier way. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashasvi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for the children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.